Right. So good morning, all of you. Yesterday we were discussing about which one? Calendar, right? Okay. Calendar module. Right? So I'll open our file. Is the name, file name? Huh? I think Python modules, right? Right. So yesterday we discussed about 4 variables, right? What are those variables? Day abbreviation, day name, month abbreviation, and the month name. Okay, month name. Right. Now, in the same calendar module, okay, there are some functions. Right? So import calendar as a C, then C dot is leap means we give the 1 year 4-digit number to check is it leap or not. Okay, tell me now. Yes, true or false? It is the which one? It is the true. It's leap year, right? So it's the true. Okay, suppose if you give the another year, any other like print of C dot is leap of 2021, then it's a false. This is the one function. Okay, is leap. At the notes, is leap. Is leap. Is leap. Right. So it is used to check. It is used to check whether the given year is leap or not. Leap or not. Right? If the given year is a leap year, then it will return what? True. Otherwise false. Otherwise false. Otherwise false. Otherwise false. For this one, next one. First one. Right. Next one is leap days. Now all of observation. C dot leap days. Leap days means it allows 2 arguments. It's 2 years. Between 2 years, it gives how many number of leap years are there. Okay, suppose I am giving here 2000, 2020, 2000, please move back. Okay, 20. Now between these two, how many leap years are there? How many leap years are there? Tell me now. I am giving the starting year, ending year. Between these two, how many leap years are there? Anyone? Huh? How many are there here? 5 or 6? Number of leap days means number of leap years. What are those? Tell me. What's first one? Huh? 2000 first one. 6. 2004. 2008. 2012. 2016. 2000. 2000. How many? So, as per this one, as per this given numbers, do you get the last one or not here? Yes or no? Why no? Huh? Why no? So I told you multiple times in Python, end value means you take the end minus one value before, right? So here physically 2020 is there, but logically what is there? 2019 is there. End value minus one. Now, so it will not come, right? Yes or no? Right, let us try now. I take 20 here, run this one, run this one. How many are there? Only 5 are there. Means what is not there? Which one is not there? It will not come. Only 5. For example, if I take up to 21, for example, then now 6 will come here. You can see, right? So what does it do? It will return the number of leap years between two given years. At the notes, leap days function, right? Leap days, leap days. It is used to return the number of leap years between two given years, between two given years. Let's take this one. Over. Right. Next one. Next one. Let's see now. C dot calendar. What's function name? Right. Calendar is the function name. So calendar of which year? Give the year number. Suppose I'm giving 2022, for example. Right. Then I want to display the calendar of this year. Now, right. Okay. So display